Voltage is the electrical potential difference between 2 points in a circuit. Voltage is analogous to water pressure in a pipe, driving the flow of electrical current. Voltage represents the potential energy field that motivates the movement of charge. A multimeter is used to measure voltage, providing a quantitative assessment of electrical potential difference. Electrical current is defined as the flow of electrical charge through a circuit. Current flow is analogous to the flow rate of water in a pipe. A multimeter measures current in amperes when connected in series within a circuit. The multimeter must be connected in series to accurately measure the current passing through a component. Digital data flow visualizes current as moving particles within the circuit. Resistance is the opposition to the flow of electric current. Resistance can be measured using a multimeter. The multimeter displays the resistance value in ohms. Resistance acts as a barrier to the flow of particles. A higher resistance results in a lower current flow,